we're back. Yay! Let's keep going. Okay, so I have some things to do here. Let me get 2 of these. I'm gonna put them on there. And one right. Ooh, hello. Right there. I kind of thought that was gonna happen. So, got those there. This one here. Okay, and then I need this one goes here. So see, I tied that together, didn't I? Really nicely. And then I put these here. Okay. Then I'm gonna put this here. That's gonna close that off for me. And oh, never mind. I get it. It's that one. There we go. And this goes here. One of these goes there. Now I'm going to do something unusual here in a minute. I'm actually going to put these together like so. These are going to go together. Oop. Actually, that doesn't pull apart. Okay. So when you're doing these, you want to offset them like this. Okay. And then every other one is going to be different than the last one. So you do it like this. You do it like this. Oh, is that right? Yep. I'm putting 6 together like that. And then what I do is I put them down on the table and straighten them out like that. Then this piece is going to go right in here like that. Okay, so it rounds out this corner. Don't worry, it'll get tied in. Okay, so then let's keep going here. Okay, and this one goes there, the other one goes here. This one goes here. And there goes the one I had on the end, like that. Okay. And then I need these together like this. 2 of them like that. These 2 are going to go, this one's going to go here. These go together like that. And this is going to go like that. Okay. Okay, and that's going to be like that, like that. So this is going to be looking like this. So we're keeping that, you know, facade on the side of the building, except for this one, because that's going to be a corner. And we're going to do the same thing we did on the other side. So now I need this. Okay, so this is going to go here. Okay, this one's going to go here, because that's going to tie that in, and then this one's going to go like that. And see, so we're just building the wall up, and don't worry, I'll fix this because it'll tie in together right nicely like that. See, so there we go. All right, so now I'm going to take this and I'm going to do it like I did the last time, only this time I'm going to do a little bit weird thing. Okay, so this one goes like that. Okay, this one goes here like that, and this one goes here like that. Okay, now we're going to put this one here, this one here, and then this is going to go here. Now, this is a banner, so more than likely this is going to go here, but I'm not going to get ahead of myself. I want to see directions first for how that's going to fit in there. Okay, so let's go on to the next video.